This is called AirPay, Apple Pay reimagined, inspired by AirPods pop-ups. So just basically, changes the way Apple Pay comes up. It makes it, show up a lot better, a lot cooler. So this is called Zenith, and long way is paid off. To completely rewrite a popular Apex tweak, lets you create stacks of icons on your home screen. This is called Disable Throttling, disables data rate throttling and signal reduction. Especially helps with upload rates. Make sure to LD restart to enable. And this is called Disable Paste Tips, craft iOS 14, no options to configure. This is called Stripe Count for Zebra, see number of installed packages at a glance. This is called Message, MSG Swap, Message Swap, a more accessible way to send messages send photos on iMessage, supports iOS 12 to 14. This is called Vinyl, simplified look for the lock screen music player, supports iOS 12 to 14. This is called Big Bang Ev, a simple Big Bang tweak from Evan, supports iOS 13 and 14. This is called Files and File Manager, also Files and File Manager 64-bit, a file manager for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, supports iOS 7 and up. And this is called EQE, system-wide parametric equalizer. This is called Flip Convert, port flip switch toggles with CC support. And this is called Velvet, new way to customize your notifications. This is called Vinyl, simplified look for the lock screen music player, supports iOS 12 to 14. This is called Copy Key, adds a new keyboard button for the iPhone X style keyboards, quickly paste text. This is called PC and GC, gold, chrome, and chrome pink, two themes in the same package. Here's a theme called Alive, live themes, 805 icons, badge icons, respring logos, settings icons, dock, and folder icons. This is called Dual Clock, display 2 time zones on the lock screen. It's called eSIM Plus, and when you're using eSIM Plus iOS 14 and having trouble, then you have to wait for an update. So choose how to call your friends. You can choose which SIM to use. It's called Sun Reborn. Do not install this on iOS 14. Just gotta wait for this bug to be fixed. But when basically it's looking cool animation when you when you scroll. Or when you go to a different page. This is called Escape, a fake incoming call to escape from a pretty embarrassing moment. This is called Prism, feature-rich control center for iOS. I know I made a video on this. I already showed this tweak, but tweak compatible is now deprecated, which means that it's no longer being worked on, unfortunately. So if they're waiting for another developer can take over, but right now it is deprecated. So it's not being worked on, and hopefully someone else takes it over. But yeah, this is called Tweak Configurator. You choose not to load specific tweets in specific apps. This is called Iris. Put the sparkle back in iMessage. This is called I Don't Know You. Use this tweet to pin, hide, secure, and block conversations like clockwork. This is called libjcet, a library used by Jacob etsdev. This is called Emerald Status Bar Widgets. So enhances your status bar intuitive interactive widgets. It's called Speed Intensifier, speeds up iOS animations. This is called Zephy, and absolutely zero click to play automatically from Spotify. It's called Home Plus Pro. As also mentioned with Zephy, it is updated to support iOS 14.x. Home Plus Pro is released now version, supports iOS 14 up to 14.4, and revolutionary layout editing for iOS. This is called Dress up your lock screen. My favorite tweet is called Carrier Crack Global, and this is for iOS 13. I think that's for iOS 14. It says right here, but I'm not sure. I think it's only for up to iOS 13. Enables hidden features, introduces new features, amplifies cell signal, amplifies data speeds, and more. And this is the iOS 14 one. As of right now, it only supports T-Mobile USA for iOS 14, but more will be added. Which is called Backtrits, back tap for quick actions. So kind of like the iOS 14 back tap feature for works on iOS 12 and 13, I believe. This is called Lumi, night mode camera for low light photography. This is called Sneak Peek of your home screen from unlocked lock screen on the iPhone X. This is called Lock Plus Pro. This is called Better Alarm, and a beautiful timer alarm screen. Next is a theme called Aragon. So it's a theme. Called All Damien is what we need for All Store to install and refresh apps without a computer. Called EQE, system-wide parametric equalizer. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe.